Hello, I'm in a 2015 Nissan Juke, and today I'm going to show you how to refill your gas. So from the driver's side, you're going to look for this lever, which you'll pull, and that releases the safety. Make sure this cable is attached if this isn't working. I'm going to go to the passenger side, and then now you should see this little safety door is loose now. Let's open it up. Make sure you put the proper gas in, like the Premium 91, something like that. Unscrew, fill with your gas, screw back on. Make sure nothing's bent or broken, no debris stuck in here. And then once you close it, that safety is activated again, so you have to go back to the driver's side and release with that same little lever. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day. That's right there.